guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna do some hand painted flowers. I already have some glitter on, and this is Sweet Tea by Light Elegance, and I took a ton of different colors. I have Perfect Green from Madame Glam. I have Siesta Extra from Nail Addict. I also have Lucky Bamboo from Nail Addict. I have Night Shift from Madame Glam. I have I Need a Latte from Madame Glam. I have You're the Pink from Madame Glam. I have I Got It From My Mama from Madame Glam. Little J from Madame Glam. And then Vintage Girl from Nail Addict. So when I said I grabbed a lot, I grabbed a lot. So the reason is because I just want to play. I don't have any direction that I'm going here. I'm just going to have some fun, and I figured I'd take you along with me. I think I'm just going to do a fast forward here because, again, I'm just gonna have some fun and I just wanted to hang out. So let's get going.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face, a certain weight, because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained